Menteri rang ba ka jala Konrad ke sangma ha kasing tho ding. Ulabu iki mawnongrim nak bynta south liki projek penhe surok ki bahe ki ba shongdor hadu south spa pra klur tingka ha east but west Jaintia hills ka bathmu ban pen bha ya ka jinga dei ban ken tieu ya ka kam jungo kai per thei bat ban pen khlan ye ki kam khai pateng ha ka ni ka than Laitali na kiti ki projek ki ba shongdor kumba south pa khat ar klur tingka la ple pa ba hamadan ye lekai la terke ha east Jaintia hills kat ba ka weipat ka projek ka ba shongdor hinyo pun reu point sapulai klur tingka la ple pa ba ha kishnong lum shermen ka ba he tam na preng ki projek ka de ki jingpen bha ya ka surok dikya sutnga saipung pala sem masi ka ba shongdor lai spa san pusan klur tingka hapo ka Meghalaya Logistic and Connectivity Improvement Project MLCIP balabe tingka daka World Bank kani ka project kaden ka jingjingai ka basan pra point shi kilometer pala phya eka hai ki ar bynta nadu kya shasamasi hadu laipo point shipho kilometer but nadu laipo point shipho kilometer hadu sanpu pra point shipho kilometer kawai pat ka project ka kan thop ya ka jingpan bha pen khlan ya ka surok dikya sutnga saipung mall se half long naka change sapulai point arspa kilometer hadu sanpu ar kilometer ka ba kan thop ya ka jingjingai ka ba pra point pra kilometer ha ka jinglot ka ba shipho point lai klot tingka hapo a central road infrastructure fund CRIF ka project ka balai ka kan thop ya ka surok banlet sha ka wa champe na set rong heng ringkat berka jingpan bha ya ka surok sutnga khadum ka ba kan thop ya ka jingjrong baro ka ba arfu ar point henyo kilometer ha ka jinglot ka ba saupun reu point henyo pasan klor tingka hapo ka SIDBI cluster development fund SCDF Hakashnong lom shermen umintri rangba ka jala ulabu ru ya mawnongrim na ka bynta ka surok shken talang NH206 shalom shermet ka bajinga khat pra point 100 kilometer ringkat per ka jingkiang ka ba he halor ka wa mandru ka ba penyaso ya ka NH6 ha kong ong kate ka project ka bala manjur hapo ka scheme penrai ya ki jingte bakar pang jonga than chate la mingi NESIDS kadon ga jinglot ka bala anta hado nyopun reu point sapulai kror tingka kite ki south ki project ringkat kin kan thop ya ka jingjingai ka ba shispa pra point arpa saw kilometer hakaleng ka east but west Jaintia hills habakran hakani ka sngi usangma ula ong bagi project kin pan bha shibun ya ka jingpanya so hakathan kat ba kin pan suk ya ka roi ka par bat banyo ya ka kai ka kya ka puli puthi bat ki wei ki jing shakri ki bakong san haba pan pau ya ka jing man halor ka jing man jor ya ka project bala beting ka da ka World Bank na ka banta ka East Jaintia Hills umintri rang ba ka jala ula ong bala da pan bana ya ki tender na ka banta ki project ba lakmi lenti ba ka jing tre kan stang no hapo ki sawasan sngi banwan ula ai khoblei ru ya ka jing tre shitom jong ka MLA ka than ka kong Santa Mary Shila ka bayai beteng ban burrenti ki project surang na ka banta ka constituency
As I said, it's a very, very historic day. And I'm very happy that a large project, a project which Honorable Local MLA has been desiring and wanting for a very, very long time, has happened today. And I'm very sure that this particular project is going to bring a lot of economic changes in this area. I'm very happy today that when the 2,500 crores was sanctioned by Finance Ministry through an additional externally aided project, again, Meghalaya's quota was over, but our Honorable Finance Minister, Madam Nirmala Sitharamanji, after seeing the performance of our state, she was happy to give an additional project of 2,500 crores for this World Bank. It is because of her. It is because of her kindness and the kindness of Honorable Prime Minister that this project was cleared. And when this project was sanctioned, again the same question came in my mind. Because when this money came in, the first face that I could see in front of me in my vision was Kong Santa. Coming every day to my room and saying, "Sir, please remember that road. Sir, please remember that road." So when this 2,500 crores was sanctioned, the first person I remembered was Kong Santa. And the first project I remembered was this project. And I said, well, even if we cannot do any other project, this project will be done. And this should be in the first batch. And I'm so happy, as I said, that we have already tendered this work, and we expect that in the next 45 days the work will be allotted. And I'm very, very sure that as soon as the working season starts, that the work on this road will start. So Kong Santa, once again, a big congratulations to you, and wish you the very best. Your commitment and dedication to your people is truly, truly inspiring. The way you have been working, I know it, many people don't know it. But I see you working every day, struggling with commitment and hard work to make a difference in your constituency.
Minister, Sir, Shri Conrad K. Sangma, we thank you, sir, so much for being with us today. I know during your busy schedule, you have taken up time and to give us this remarkable day and a history for my constituency and for the district, that you have come here to lay the foundation of 3 roads, which are, one is the Sutunga Saipung Pala Semesi Road, the other is the Sutunga Kadong Champe Road, and the other one is the Saipung to Lora Road. We are so glad, sir, and we are so much grateful to you for giving us these 3 roads, and especially this road as being said by a person that for the last 12 years, we have never received such kind of sanction, which is about 345 crores. We are so glad, sir, that under your leadership, the government has placed its angle everywhere in construction of road in the whole district and in the whole state as a whole.
Halum Shermin, usangma ulaong baka projek surok shken talang shalom Shermin, but ka jinking halor kawa mentadu, kan pelilat hagakam jungok kai perthei, karep karyang, but kan kentiu yakalat, banyo yakapuli puthi, but ka koi kikya. Hakanikaski, ladon lang Deputy Chief Minister ubasnya balang dhar, ki MLA uba kermen shela but ka kong Santa Mary shela, ki officer katnat PWD Roads and Buildings, ki wahe shnong na lor ki way.
Friends, today is what we call as politicians maybe one of the happy days for us. A very satisfying day. And trust me when I say this, we as politicians have very few happy days. The road that we are laying the foundation stone for is something that I believe is going to be transformational for this area. It is not just simply a road connectivity, but I believe that it will open up unlimited opportunities for the people living in this area. Whether it is for tourism, whether it's for agriculture, or whether it's just basic day-to-day requirements like going to school or needing medical attention, all of this will be impacted by this particular road. And therefore, I take this opportunity to congratulate and thank your local MLA, a dear friend of mine, for his commitment that he has shown to the people of this region. He had been very clear from the beginning that this is one of the most important projects in his constituency. And while other projects are important, he would like to give one of the top priorities to this project. And however possible, through whichever scheme, he requested me time and again that please include this in some scheme or the other. And therefore, I am very happy that today, through the NESID scheme, which is a scheme of the donor ministry, that's Department of Northeast Region, Government of India, that we have been able to sanction 76 crores. The tender has been completed. The contractor is on board. And I'm sure that the work also will start very soon. And we will be able to complete this project in the days to come. And I would like to urge the contractor as well as the MLA that we must ensure that quality is maintained and we must ensure that the work happens at a fast pace. Friends, like this, throughout the state in different constituencies and different regions, the MDA government has given top priority to road connectivity. And you must have seen the difference in the last 8 years. That maximum number of roads have been constructed in the state during the last 8 years. And it's not just roads, but different infrastructure projects. Be it stadiums, be it schools, be it PHC, CHCs, be it block offices, be it maintenance of outpost police stations. In almost every development aspect, the MDA government has been very, very aggressive to ensure that development reaches to all the corners of the state. And also this happens to be the second visit of a chief minister. As was mentioned earlier, the first chief minister to come here happened to be my late father, late P.S. Sangma. So it is even more of a happier moment for me to know that after him, I am the second chief minister to come here and to be part of this celebration and this program. And therefore this will be definitely a very, very memorable day and a memorable visit and moment for me.
Tagani ke projek ni man ko cipta rapi pher ko ni bitron ke projek skudi khodi mo ko jong bude kitin prano kudongi ke projek ko connect pada cikan telang celung cerbit na ka wiga highway cika wiga highway ko snau sorong mo ngi bikap pai ba ko bini ni bo em na pimem ni program ko first program ko namani kani projek daman ko ni ko so ka manya pa plurtam ama anai ni hai tai ha latar ke debo monori kamwa legally ke projek ko datam so spak klur. Dan neka sito wan bu monorimu chief minister o mayayong yake East Jaintia region. Duna ke san spak klur. Ton ay titap tibo sawara.
I would like to remind you, I remember since the first day I came to your office and proceed regarding with the application for this road. And I remember you told me that if needed, Makarman, I will take you to Delhi and then try to seek what is the best we can do so that we can implement this project. But lucky to say, I don't need to go to Delhi along with you. You yourself, you have done it. And today we witness that it really happened what you have spoken that day.